The NUP has expressed, although we're not members of NUP, no, I heard yesterday that they have their intention of filing, yung last na sinabi, see you in court. Maybe more than just an ethics complaint, also possible legal action against the suspended Congressman Kiko Barsaga.
Hanggang kailan ba yung suspension niyan?
His suspension will be until, if I'm not mistaken, to the first week of February.
So, ilan ang miyembro ng Ethics Committee? And will that case be, sa plenary?
But sa plenary kasi yun sir.
Sa plenary.
But I think since na-serve na niya to, it would necessitate another complaint, no? Kasi na-serve na, ito na yung punishment dun sa earlier niyang action unless there's a new ethics complaint again that would call. But definitely yung ginawa niya after nung na-impose yung una niyang suspension will be taken into consideration should a second ethics complaint be filed.